My name is Adam. Today, at Gadget Explained, we take a look at the T4 Kaleid controller by GameSir. With hair trigger mode and motion aim, steer tech, take your gaming to the next level. Customizable to suit your style. Works with PC, Switch, and Android. Reliable Hall effect thumbsticks. Tactile face buttons for fast, comfortable presses. Hair trigger mode for precise control. Lightweight and compact design. Built-in 6-axis gyro and motion aim, steer tech. Multi-platform compatibility. 4 customizable light effects. 2 macro back buttons. M button for convenient control. Wired with a detachable 2 meters USB-C cable. Clicky buttons, silent triggers. The controller is supported by the GameSir T4K software, which gives you access to firmware upgrades, remap buttons, tweak D-pad diagonal, adjust thumbsticks, trigger zone and more. You can hear a button sound test later in the video at timestamp 2 minutes 30 seconds, followed by the unboxing. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of this wild and wacky video adventure. Remember, laughter is the best medicine, so I hope you got your daily dose today. If you found this video entertaining, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hilarity. And hey, if you didn't find it funny, just pretend you did and make our day. We'll be back with more shenanigans, pranks, and absurdity to brighten your day. Until then, keep laughing, stay awesome, and remember, life is too short to be serious all the time. See you in the next video, my fellow comedic connoisseurs. Stay goofy.